Wow, what a restaurant! I'm going to try their buy one! Get one free offer. Let's see what they have on the menu.
Hello, Shrek. How may I serve you?
Hello, Lucas. I'd like a hamburger.
Sure, you'll receive one for free with per offer.
Perfect. I can't wait to eat.
Monkey, now we need to make the hamburgers out of clay for Shrek.
Okay, let's start with the bun, and then we'll add the toppings.
Sure.
I need a rolling pin.
I'll make the ground beef now.
Now, let's shape the hamburger bun into a round shape. Done! I've finished!
And now I'll take care of the rest of the toppings.
I'll make the salad now.
I'll make the tomatoes.
I also need red for the tomatoes.
Here it is.
Thank you, Lucas.
You're welcome.
I'm done.
Me too. Monkey, I just need one more thing, and then I'll go deliver Shrek's order.
They both look amazing, don't they?
Yes, Monkey.
I'm really hungry. I wonder if my order will take much longer.
Done, Shrek. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks. Delicious. Next. Both burgers are very delicious. They definitely deserve a reward. Lucas!
Yes, Shrek.
Here's your money!
Thanks. I hope you enjoyed it.
It was delicious. I'll definitely come back to this restaurant.
We'll be waiting for you.
Shrek recommended this restaurant to me. Let's see what they have on the menu. I think I know what I want to order.
Hello, Fiona.
Hello, Lucas. I'd like an ice cream.
Okay. Hey, Monkey. Fiona ordered ice cream.
Okay, Lucas. So we both make one ice cream each?
Yes. I have a Play-Doh ice cream maker here. We can use it.
Perfect. Thank you.
I'll grab another cone.
Okay, Lucas. We need some Play-Doh.
I'll go get it now.
I'll use the ice cream machine.
I'll make the ice cream scoops without using it.
Now, I'll make some decorations.
Can you help me to monkey with some decorations?
Sure. Tell me which ones you want.
Done. I have something else to add.
I'm finished too. Done. You can take Fiona's order now.
Yes, I'll go now.
Lucas. I can't wait to eat. Delicious. Let's see what's next. Very good. Shrek was right. Lucas.
Yes, Fiona. Did you enjoy the ice cream?
Yes. Delicious. Thank you. Here's your money.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
What delicious options we have here. I wonder what to choose from this menu.
Hello, baby. How may I serve you?
I'm not sure what to choose. I think some spaghetti with mozzarella and tomatoes.
Sure, together with Monkey. I'll prepare the most delicious spaghetti.
Okay, I can't wait to eat.
Monkey, I've taken baby's order. He wants spaghetti with mozzarella and tomatoes.
Okay, let's make spaghetti then.
Let me handle the yellow color.
Sure, Lucas. Let's make the spaghetti out of clay. Now, let's make the tomatoes for the spaghetti.
I'm done, Monkey.
Me too.
I'll go deliver baby's food.
I can't wait to see if baby likes it.
I'm sure baby will love our spaghetti too.
Thank you, Lucas. It smells really good. Delicious! Now let's move on to the next batch. Delicious! A top-notch restaurant. Lucas, here's your money. The food was excellent.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. We look forward to seeing you again.
I'll definitely come back.
What should I choose from this menu? I know!
Hello, Monkey. How may I serve you?
Hello, Lucas. I'd like a pizza too.
Sure. Hello, the next customer wants pizza.
Okay, Lucas, pizza. Let's use the Play-Doh pizza oven.
Sure, I'll bring what we need now.
We need more Play-Doh. Okay, now the Play-Doh pizza oven, please.
Sure.
Thanks. Let's divide the brown for the pizza crust. I'll use this lid to make a round shape. Done! Now let's add the pizza toppings. I'll start with the red one. Here we have topping shapes, tomatoes, cheese, lettuce, and everything else we need.
Can you help me, Monkey?
Of course, Lucas! I'll use the grater to shred the mozzarella. The pizza is ready. Now the order is complete. You can go serve it, Lucas.
Finally, Lucas! I was really hungry!
Enjoy your meal, Monkey.
Thanks! Let's see which one to start with. This one. Both delicious. I licked the plates clean. Lucas, I'm done. Here's your money.
I'm coming now, Monkey. Did you like the pizza?
Yes, I'll be your loyal customer.
I'm glad we'll be waiting for you.
Meow! What a menu here! I'm craving for a dessert.
Hello, Kitty. How may I serve you?
Hello, Lucas. I'd like to order cookies, but colorful ones.
Okay. Hey, Monkey. The kitty wants colorful cookies.
Okay, let's take the Play-Doh and the cookie cutters. Which color should we start with? Let's divide the purple color. It's hard to open. Let's also use blue.
I need a rolling pin too.
Okay. A star-shaped one.
A ghost-shaped one.
I am done, Lucas.
Me too, Monkey.
Now you can serve our customer, the kitty.
Kitty, your order is ready.
I'm glad. These colorful cookies smell so good. Delicious. An experience that's worth every penny. Here's the money, Lucas. I'll definitely come back to this restaurant.
Okay, Kitty. We'll be waiting for you eagerly.
I recommend everyone to try this restaurant.
Look, Monkey, we're rich.
Yes, we did a great job today, Lucas. Kids, don't forget to subscribe to Monkey and Lucas Adventures.